Hey everyone, welcome back. So here we are again. We've got our first set of actions defined, and what else have we got? The functions were being built out in the methods library. I've added a few more here. All I've done is to collapse these. They're still not implemented yet, but added a few more, like equip and unequip, pick up or discard, and we can keep adding to these. One thing I've got here is this idea of rolling a 1d8 dice, as we see in these adventure games. So I've just been building these out, and I've split them into sections again just for management. Got the idea that we'll have game help at some point, but again, nothing implemented yet. I'm just declaring these as a template. Also, we need a way to quit the game, I thought, too. So again, a player may be playing away and not die and just want to quit the game. And I had the idea that when you quit the game, then a player character sheet will get written out. I think we had that. Yeah, so the character sheet here. So I've put that in as well. Now, one thing we said last time was that every time you play, in fact, let's just play to make sure this still works. Okay, what do you want to do? So we had attack was the most complete function. Attack what? Rat. You killed the rat. Great, and the game ends. And that's the problem. It goes through the loop once. You choose something, attack. So you go to perform attack. It looks up in here, says tum 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 tum. Oh, here we are, function perform attack. And that's what we do. You kill, the mob just dies. Clearly later on, we'll need to add lots of code here to say, well, you hit the monster, it hits you. What do you want to do? Attack again. Flee. Whatever. But for now we'll just have this as a kind of control. So let's just minimize that off for tidiness. So what we need to do is we need to wrap all of these all of these code lines in something that says while the player is still alive, do this. But obviously if they're dead, don't. And that's pretty straightforward with VBScript. We can just put do until some condition is met. In this case we'll have s player health. So until s player health is, well, it could be less than or it could be equal to 0. Let's make sure we cover both conditions. So do until the hero has no health left. And the way we terminate that is just to put loop. So that should cover how we get in and out. Now we've just declared a new variable, so let's put that up here. And of course sPlayer health doesn't have a value right now, so let's set it to say 10. But what we will do as well is we'll just put a little note here. What would we do? So this should be part of character generation, right? So when we start the game, we'll generate a character, and this is where we'll get this value from. But for now, that's fine. So we've got the player health set to 10. We come down here, and we're saying get the player action and keep doing this stuff until the player health is 0. Okay, so as we always test after small changes, let's test this. Okay, what do you want to do? So attack was our most complete function. Let's pick something different this time. Attack a dryad. You kill the dryad. Okay. Now we're looping back. Yeah, we're stuck here, aren't we? So it's not asking us what we want to do. It's just going. Right. Okay, so how do we get out of this? That wasn't one of the choices. I know. Okay, so let's see. We perform attack. Right, so we go through here, we perform attack. We killed it. So we've dropped into this piece of code now. we've already told it keep doing, you know, whatever path you get in the code. So, you know, come down here, set the player health, get the action, ask the player what they want to do, want to attack, so drop into attack. So we've kind of gone down a path here and we're stuck here. There's no way out of here, is there? And there's no way out of this by the looks of it. So what we'll need to do, I think, is, okay, we need to come up with task manager. Here it is. This is a Windows script host. So if we kill this, I'm hoping this is the right one. Dun, dun, dun. Wow, we'll soon find out. Yeah, okay, cool. That was lucky. Right, let's move this. Yeah, this should be literally the outermost. So yeah, every time we create an action like this, it's got to go in here, hasn't it? This needs to be the outermost statement in our code. Okay, we can get rid of that comment. So with this as the outermost statement of the code, we come through, we declare everything. You know, we've got our sub to pull in the external files. The external files are here. We're only pulling this one in. Down and down it goes. We'd go through our welcome message, generate the hero, create the character sheet. Okay, that's good. And then when we actually play the game, let's put that here. Play the game. We only do it while the player health is, well, we'll do it until the player health is this. Okay, so this should work. I'm just thinking we're going to get stuck in a loop again. So what I will do is let's add the ability to quit the game here. Quit. Player. Quit. Actually, what was that function? Do we have it in here? Quit game. Okay, so let's call quit game. Quit game. Again, just like being able to call external files, if we can't get this right, the game's pretty much dead in the water, right? So we come over here, we type quit, we quit game, we call this function. Not yet implemented, we can't have that. What we could do is we could say sPlayer health equals 0, right, for now. But again, this would be temp, because we should write the character sheet. We also need to know how we exit the game. Okay. Yep. How? Okay, let's see if this one works. So we're going to go into the game, we'll attack something, hopefully get asked again what we want to do, and we'll just quit. What do you want to do? Attack. A rat. You killed the rat. What do you want to do? Let's see if it works. Okay, quit. Not yet implemented. And it disappears. What? Ah, sorry, left the thing in, didn't we? Thanks for playing Adventures in Oledium. Cool. Okay, that will do for now, but we'll need to replace this, won't we? Right. So the extra functions, what we could have, this information, is obviously some game help. What else? Game help, not yet implemented. So I'll go through and implement some more of these. I'm thinking things like checking what your inventory is, maybe checking a specific backpack. That could be getting a bit too nuanced. But what we've done then is created this way here, just to keep doing game actions so long as player health is up. So if you get killed attacking, you're out, and later on you'll be able to quit, and quit will not kill you as this technically does. It will write out your character sheet and just terminate the game, but we need to work out how we exit instead of having to go and kill the application. Okay, so okay, let's leave this one here, and what I'll do, I'll implement some more functions and or declare some more functions in this way and finish that off. I'll add them to here as well, so we've got the ability to call all the functions, and I'll come back to you.